Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your username on Instagram. So the process is very much simple. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated. So let's get started. First of all, simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Instagram. Here we go. And also be sure you are signed into your account there, and then simply tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Just enter on your profile. In your profile you can see the option of edit profile. In the middle, just tap on this edit profile option, and here you can see your name, username, and many options. So in order to change your username, just click on your username and you can edit your username. So I'm just going to change my username. It's tennis298, so I'm going to change it with 29809. So after getting done, just simply tap on this right icon, just click on this option and again click on this right icon at the top right. That's it, your username has been changed. So hope this video helped you to change your username on Instagram, and before you go, please subscribe this channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching.